Whether you've just started a new job or have been in the same position for a few years, everyone wants to excel at work. Every job is different, of course. Depending on what industry and role you're in, you might need a variety of skills to do well. But there are a few things you can do to make sure you shine, no matter your job. There are always ways to improve your performance. Here are 3 ideas you can utilize to excel at work. 1. Foster a good relationship with your boss. Unless you are already the CEO of your organization, chances are you have a boss you're answering to. And your relationship with your boss is arguably the most important one you'll have in the workplace. A good relationship with them can pave the way towards a successful career. A bad one can close a lot of doors. After all, your boss is the one who has the most impact in your work life. They assign you tasks, evaluate your performance, and ultimately decide what growth opportunities you have access to. So, if you want to excel at your job, the first thing you will need to do is get to know your boss. That doesn't mean you need to be best friends. But, it's important for you to understand what they value and what their priorities are. If you know those things, you can make sure that your work supports those priorities. Then, if your boss sees that your work is helping them be successful, your value will increase, too. Accept feedback gracefully. One of the hardest things for many people to learn is how to handle constructive criticism. Those in the know about how to excel at work know that using well-intentioned critiques can improve their job performance. Yes, some bosses are truly nitpickers who want everything done their way, but most bosses are simply providing feedback so you can perform your job better. Aim to incorporate your boss' constructive criticism into how you perform your job. Really pay attention to the less than positive portions of your work assessments. This is your roadmap for how to excel at work. As Proverbs 19 verse 20 says, "Listen to advice and accept discipline, and at the end you will be counted among the wise." 3. Be a good team player. Teamwork is an essential quality for any employee, but what does it really mean to be a team player? Just like your relationship with your boss, it's important to understand your teammates and what they value. This way, you can build better relationships with your team members, making collaboration much easier and improving everyone's performance. Although it can be difficult, you may also need to put your coworkers' needs before your own sometimes. Be that staying late on occasion to help them meet deadlines, taking time out of your day to help someone stuck on a task, or switching shifts if needed. Collaboration and flexibility are sought-after skills, and your teammates will certainly respect you for it. Just remember to respect your own boundaries and don't let teammates take advantage of you.